Well, hi, this is Ken with Village Green, and I wanted to show you a plant that is one of our favorites to use. This is called trailing rosemary. Now, this is a pretty new plant. We just installed this in our landscape at the shop just a little while ago. This is going to get a foot and a half tall or so, and it'll spread out probably another foot and a half or 2 feet. So it gets a little larger than what you're seeing here. But one of the reasons I wanted to go ahead and show you this is my favorite part about this plant is see the soft blue blooms or kind of purplish blooms on this. It just blooms sporadically during the year, and it blooms throughout the winter time just a little bit. It's one of the few plants that actually is blooming during that time of the year. And I used to have this at my old house, and I just loved coming home in the wintertime and seeing this little surprise of these small blooms that's showing up on the plant. The other thing that's nice about this is that it has a nice fragrance. So a lot of times we will use this in backyard, say around a patio, where as you brush past it, it gives the fragrance of that rosemary scent, which is really nice. And the added plus is it's rosemary, which means you can cook with it. So if you're inclined to do that, this is a great plant to have around. The daddy version of this, there's several other large versions of rosemary that get huge and kind of take over the world. This doesn't do that. It behaves a little bit better than that. The only downside to this plant is that it is freeze sensitive. So if we get down into, say, the 20s, which we do maybe every 10 years or so around here, you're probably going to lose this. So we don't want to go crazy putting this into the landscapes, but if we just use a few here and there, knowing that we're going to replace it every few years, it is a good plant to use. And as I said, my favorite thing are the blooms. So this is Ken with Village Green. If you like these videos, please share them with your friends and your family. If you're looking for an improvement on your landscape, or if you're looking to improve your lawn or your sprinkler system, please give us a call. Ken with Village Green.